Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Linode login issues, two-factor and access errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with your Linode account, follow these steps to resolve them. First, ensure that you are entering the correct email address linked to your account. Double-check for any typos or errors. Next, verify that you are using the correct password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Check your email for a password reset link and follow the instructions provided. After resetting your password, try logging in again with the new credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, ensure you have access to your authentication device. Open your Authenticator app or check your SMS for the verification code. Enter the code in the prompt. If the code is not working, ensure that your device's clock is correctly synchronized. If you are locked out due to excessive login attempts, wait a few minutes before trying again. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to rule out any browser-related issues. Try accessing Linode from a different browser or incognito mode. If using a VPN, consider disabling it temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. If you continue to experience problems, check Linode's status page for any ongoing outages. You can also reach out to Linode support for further assistance. Provide them with details of your issue for a quicker resolution. Follow these troubleshooting steps carefully to resolve your login issues efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.